Ours and coffee.
Ah! Stop it! Stop it! It's fucking hurting my ears.
You guys want coffee from?
I want Dunkin'. I ain't trying to pay no Starbucks price for no fucking coffee.
Yeah, bro, you might as well get your hair blonde and call you Brittany. Y'all ready?
Oh! Ew!
Ah!
Bottles, the glass one. My toilet map. From there.
It's got shoulder massaging,
And then
lumbar support,
I also
and
got one from Tennessee.
sexual healing.
So, yeah, these are pretty
Don't forget about
I'm gonna sit on your face.
Ah, that's gross. Ah, you heard this? You got this live, didn't you? Huh?
Rip a cheek out
This
of you.
nigga is acting mad suspect right now.
I'll be like, yeah.
See,
You want to be my ass?
haven't seen
You can't
more.
even
You want to beat my ass?
You can't even get up.
You better eat my ass.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Oh.
I knew that was going. I knew he was gonna say. He's gonna say.
All right, big dog. It's a no for me. You can get out.
I already counter shift, alright?
Wait, which way am I going? This way?
Yeah, you're going down that way.
I need gas though.
Ah, you fucking bean.
Fuck it, we'll get gas when we need it.
Do we really need gas?
Play it.
Hold on.
Play it.
Shh. We're gonna play this song.
Wait, what are you playing?
I don't know. Oh.
Counter shift. Hey, it worked.
Sure did. Keep going.
Oh.
You don't for a certain
Are
amount.
you gonna play it or not?
Can you shut the fuck up and wait what I'm gonna put on?
Hold on, counter shift. What is this?
Listen to the fucking song, alright?
I know I don't have this shit. Hey, bro, he's driving a lawnmower.
What the fuck? These beans are the next level shit out here.
They're Naperville.
They didn't hit that power up.
Ah, shit.
I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. Had to come and get it straight from to live without you.
What in the living fuck are we listening to?
And that's when the commercial will be like, you can own this collection now for $99.99.
Right. For only $3, you can save this poor starving child.
My car's struggling right now.
It's big like me.
Look at Alex. I got butterfly doors. Open the door. Oh shit!
Wax on, wax off.
Dougie.
Will you give it to me?
Get your fat ass away from me. Get the fuck away from me.
Fucking link that you're talking about.
There was no link.
The chat, the fucking page, the public post.
There was no post for today.
Oh, there's your answer.
The nigga that owns the host, host the fucking, he said, we'll be here next week.
Okay, he's obviously posted this on Facebook, right?
Yes.
All right, send me that post. Damn, they must have been here at 8, left at 9. We missed it by 2 minutes.
Bro, they all dipped that damn fast, bro. All those fucking cars.
Damn, how that's breath, nigga?
Let me get this ready. You stupid bitch. They aren't coming. They're not coming. What did he say again? Oh, the owner said that they would be here.
Who's they? I don't see no they.
Like, y'all still coming?
Be like, yeah, bro, we were here at 8, left at 9. You guys were late by 2 minutes. Where else is there cars and coffee right now?
Man, let's go to the one that's in Texas.
Motherfucker.
Go to the one that's in fucking.
Road trip.
Hey, man, it's gross.
Hey, don't tell me I don't know how to use my tongue though.
I don't think I want to know why. I don't care for it.
And it's going real well. Had protein, had fiber.
Feeling real confident about this.
Yeah, it's going pretty well. I already texted Xavier and Brandon and Alex. They're all rooting for me. I just want to say I appreciate you for the support. And this was just a comedy snippet. It is not factual shit video.
It is for him though.
I'm about to take a shit though.
My door's broken, so y'all gotta go to the window.
Breaks to the bed. Goes.
He said, "Blue do weekend too."
Look at the Hot Wheel collection. 300ZX. I want to build one of these so bad.
My mom did that. I had no choice.
I want to build one of these so bad, bro. A Datsun 240. Ooh, Gran Turismo.
Could be me.
Bro. You're bogus, bro. Why you on this room like that, man?
This is looking GTR.
This is the midnight purple GTR. This color is so rare,
That's why I want it.
Not on the Hot Wheels.
especially in the R34. Didn't they only make like what 500 of them?
Really prolonging that shit. Army green. A Trano. What else is back here? Of course.
What the fuck?
Go, bro. Of course, he has his personal charger in here. You miss it? Do you want the camera?
What? No, get the fuck out of here.
Fiber still costs more than my whole car.
You're damn right. More than my
Bitch, you don't gotta agree with me.
Get your fucking dick away from my face.
Nigga, stop. Get your face away from my dick.
I was here first.
Hey, both of you shut up. I'm not going to notice, bro. I ain't no notice I haven't shed in 3 days.
Bro, I ain't known this. I shitted, dude.
Bro.
All right, NTB. Jump cut.
Man,
Marl.
sounds like you.
Jump cut, Marl. Snap your fingers.
And
We get an MTV and this thing don't have
brick stains on it. Here, I'll give you the clean one.
Nice one.
I gotta get the jump cut.
Clean, nigga, clean. Nigga, what?
Hurry the.
So Alex gonna interview at NTB, and his NTB is looking mad sketchy.
Right. Buy tools.
Buy you a toolbox?
It's like 3 weeks wait. I'm like, what?
Alex, hold on. Alex, hold on.
Hello. Alright. I was like, what are you doing, bro? I looked at you like, what the fuck are you doing?
I got stuck. So, here's where I messed up. The rest of the video, I made a funny reference about rocket power, this and that. There was a whole bunch of funny moments. We ended up pulling up on our friend Victor, looking at the BMW and the charger and everything, and I forgot to change the SD card. So I ran out of space on the SD card, and I captured none of it. Like, I lost all of that content. So I'm gonna just end the video right here because I got to release on Friday anyway. Man, I am like pissed about this. So yeah, hope the next video I do release, I will make sure I made sure that I have the content, you know, because this is a fuck up on my part. So the next video should not be as like trash as this one. Like, as you can see, nothing went right in this video. We went to Cars and Coffee and there was no cars because it got rescheduled for the next week. We went to NTB so Alex can do the job interview, and the dude was fucking around and basically didn't even interview him. We fucking went and did something. We ended up working on a BMW this night as well. All of that is lost. We worked on a BMW and I caught none of that content, and it turned out the thing that we fixed didn't even need to be fixed. It was the wrong thing that needed to be fixed. So as you can see, this video was just like kind of a shit clusterfuck and nothing went right. So I'm just end it right here. Thanks for you guys watching. Make sure to hit the like, comment, subscribe, share to friends. And I clearly said already, but I need to put more emphasis on this. Slap that like button. We're 5 more subs away from 50. Let's get to 50. Once I hit 50, I'm shooting for 100. Let's go. Deuces.